Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. We're going to look at my old RHG 5-stage filtration system. What we did is one of the guys broke this piece here, so we had to either replace it or even bypass it. Because this 5th stage isn't quite necessary, I think it might have been, I might be wrong, but I think it might have been something back, I mean, maybe 12 or more years ago when this was, a model they carried. This might have been something they were looking at. It's not something they use anymore. But so what happened is this plastic tube, it's a 3/4 inch clear PVC Schedule 40 pipe. It cracked. It has a element inside of it. It's like a copper piece that performs some type of filtration, and it cracked, so it had a gap in air leak in the system and it would leak out there. So we replaced it. We talked to RHG. They said we could even bypass it if we wanted to, which wouldn't be a big deal. But I think the materials for me, buying the 3/4 inch clear PVC and the 2 3/4 inch slip unions, which are Schedule 80s, I think the total repair was $20. So $20, I was able to repair it. Very simple to replace, with some tape, Teflon tape in there. Thread this piece in here, and then once this is threaded in, then this upper piece basically just threads right onto here. Once that clear PVC is glued into place, that's all you need for a fix on it. Like I said, these carts aren't used anymore or aren't available anymore, but this is one of my favorite systems because it has the battery. We upgraded the battery size to get more life, get a full 10-hour shift out of it without needing to be charged. No plugins, no anything, just runs off the battery. Run 2 people off this machine, just similar to what the gas does for us. But that's a quick fix for something. If there's anybody who needs one of these replaced, the parts very easy to find once you know what you're looking for. So hit me up and we can get you going in the right direction if this is something you're looking for. That's a look at replacing the 5th stage filtration on an RHG battery operated cart. You saw it here, Window Warriors Forum.